Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 15 October 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation also. And one thing, those who first visit Educational Wing, please a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay. Let's proceed towards today's session. As per this is our previous day questions. We have to answer it first. Who has won men's 2020 French Open title? Rafael Nadal, Novak Djokovic, Max Verstappen. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Rafael Nadal. Recently, Rafael Nadal beats Novak Djokovic to win the men's 2020 French Open title. This is his 13th French Open men's single title. This is his 13th men's Open single title. Okay, French Open. And Rafael Nadal belongs to Spain. Which country has approved tree transplantation policy? Gujarat, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, or option D, Goa? The answer here is Delhi. Recently, the Chief Minister of the Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal, has passed a first of its kind in India tree transplantation policy. Remember, it is not plantation, tree transplantation policy to preserve trees for the clean and green Delhi. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Standards Day is observed? 13 October, 14 October, 15 October, or option D, 16 September. The correct answer here is 14 October. Every year on 14 October, World Standards Day is observed. Okay, the day aims to raise the awareness about the importance of standardization to the global economy among the consumer, regulator, and industry. Okay, one thing, and another important things of this day is the theme. The theme is protecting the planet with standards. Protecting the planets with standards. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. IMF, International Monetary Fund, projects India's GDP to contract by how much percentage in 2020 or in the financial year 2020-21? The answer here is 10.3%. Recently, IMF, according to the International Monetary Fund, has projected the Indian economy to contract by 10.3% in financial year 2020 and 21. Okay. Facts of IMF, International Monetary Fund. Headquarters is situated in Washington DC, USA, and the managing director is Kristalina Georgieva. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has launched 11 cricket stars as brand ambassador? BharatPe, PhonePe, Google Pay, or option D, Paytm? The answer here is BharatPe. Recently, BharatPe has announced the launch of its high impact TV campaign starring Team BharatPe with 11 cricket stars as brand ambassador. You can see all the 11 cricket stars of our Indian team. Okay. Next question. Who has kept Pakistan on its enhanced follow-up list? FATF, ADB, AIIB, option D, World Bank. The correct answer here is Financial Action Task Force. The FATF stands for Financial Action Task Force. Recently, FATF has kept Pakistan in its enhanced follow-up list. Okay, the headquarters of the FATF is situated in Paris, France. It is established in 1989. Okay. Next question. Who has released the biography of Balasaheb Viखे Patil? Amit Shah, Yogi Adityanath, Narendra Modi, or option D, Rajnath Singh? As per you see the image of Prime Minister here, the correct answer here is answer Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has released the autobiography of former Union Minister Dr. Balasaheb Viखे Patil. You can see the image of the Balasaheb Viखे Patil here. It is launched through video conferencing, and the name of the biography is De Bechwa Karani. De Bechwa Karani. It means dedicated one's life for a noble cause. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Indian Army and which state government organized an anti-terror exercise Suraksha Kavach? Sikkim, Gujarat, Bihar, or option D, Maharashtra. The correct answer here is Maharashtra. Recently, Indian Army and Maharashtra Police organized an anti-terror exercise named is Suraksha Kavach at Lulanagar, Pune, Maharashtra. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. Capital is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshiyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Also, Bhagat Singh Koshiyari take the additional charge of Goa also. Okay. Next question. Politician Vinod Kumar Singh passed away. He belongs to which state? Bihar, Assam, Odisha, or option D, Kerala. The correct answer here is Bihar. The Bihar's Minister for the Backward and the Extremely Backward Classes, Vinod Kumar Singh, recently passed away due to COVID-19. He passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, he was a BJP MLA from the Katihar district. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Chief Minister is Nitish Kumar, and Phagu Chauhan is the governor of Bihar. You can see the image of Vinod Kumar Singh also here. Next question. Which bank launched ACE credit card in partnership with Google Pay? ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IDBI Bank, option D, HDFC Bank. The answer here is Axis Bank. Recently, Axis Bank has launched a new entry level of credit card named Axis ACE credit card with a famous increasing digital economy. It is for digital economy and the partnership with Google Pay. Okay, the headquarters of the Axis Bank is situated in Mumbai, and the MD of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary. Amitabh Chaudhary is the MD of Axis Bank. Next question. Amazon Pay has collaborated with whom for digital payment in India? Uber, Ola, Flipkart, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Uber. Recently, the Amazon Pay and Uber announced a partnership to push the digital payment in India. Okay, Uber is in news. The headquarters of the Uber is situated in California, US. And the CEO of Uber is Dara Khosrowshahi. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. WEF has shifted his annual meeting 2021 from Davos. Where is its headquarters situated? Where is the headquarters of the WEF is situated? Australia, Iceland, Switzerland, or option D, India? The headquarters of, firstly, the WEF stands for World Economic Forum. The headquarters of the World Economic Forum is situated in Cologne, Switzerland. Okay, and the WEF is established in 1971. And the founder of WEF is Kalush Chachov. Okay. Recently, the WEF has shifted his annual meeting from the 2021 from the Davos, and the headquarters of the WEF is situated in Switzerland. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Please try to answer more and more in comment section. It is a very good practice, good habit of you. It is very much helpful for you. Okay, our first question is, which state become first state in India having complete digital classroom? Our second question is, Carlton Chapman passed away. He was later to which field? Okay, please try to answer in comment section. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe, and share as much as you can. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Okay. And those who first visit educational, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.